Peace, peace. Get in, Craig. If I wanted to lock up, I could. I like this routine. It's very simple, straight and to the point. Welcome on back, ladies. It's your favorite around the way girl, naturally Candace, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I cleanse and clarify and take care of my scalp while I'm rocking my mini twist. Shameless plug. If you haven't watched my previous videos, you have no idea about my hair struggles or my hair rehab journey. So watch those videos before this video so you can know why I'm rocking these mini twists. But I am trying to be as consistent as possible, and I really want to stick with my current hair regimen. So I am going to be protective styling for 2 weeks at a time, but I want to make sure that I'm taking the time to really clarify, cleanse, and take care of my scalp even while rocking a protective style. So I'm going to be doing an apple cider vinegar rinse for the first time on my hair. So instead of fully like doing a complete wash day while I'm rocking my mini twist, which would take a day in itself, plus it would take so long for my mini twist to dry, I opted to do an apple cider vinegar rinse. And yes, you could just use some basic apple cider, but I have been seeing this. This is the Creme of Nature apple cider vinegar clarifying rinse. This has been all over social media. I've read so many great reviews about it. I've watched so many great tutorials, and I actually went to my hair store this past Sunday and I seen this product there, so I was like, oh, I'm definitely going to try it. You can see the sticker is still on the back, $5.99. I bought this with my own money. So this isn't a sponsored video in any way, shape, or form. I actually paid for this with my own hard-earned money. I had to serve at least one bar guest to make this $6 to buy this product on my own. Also, a cute thing about this is it has a cute little applicator nozzle, which would probably definitely work if I was just rocking my natural hair and fro. I could just really get into it. But because I'm going to be doing this rinse on my mini twist, I went ahead and bought my own little applicator bottle. Let me get it open so you can see. I wanted it to have a fine, thin applicator so I could really get into my scalp and up under the mini twist to get rid of old product buildup and dirt and stuff. So without further ado, darling. Oh wait, before we get into it. So the directions for this product is you wet your scalp and hair, you squeeze. You squeeze the excess water out, section your hair, and use the bottle tip to gently squeeze the product into your scalp. Massage it into your hair and scalp, leave it on for a couple of minutes, and then rinse it out and follow it up with a conditioner. So since I am rocking mini twist, I am not going to soak my entire hair because I do want my twist to dry, just to air dry overnight. A part of my hair rehab, I'm not applying any heat to my hair. So when I actually wash my mini twist, I'm going to be using the banding method. I'm going to try to make about 5 or 6 small sections so I really can focus the water and the apple cider vinegar specifically onto my scalp, not so much the twist themselves, really just getting in to clean up all of the oil and product buildup. So if you don't know what the banding method is, it's going to be something like this. I'm just going to take a silicone headband and I'm going to wrap it down the shaft of my hair like so. And this is how I'm going to wash my hair. So the water can move freely and so can the apple cider vinegar to get right into my scalp, not so much the mini twists themselves. So now, without further ado, darling, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't be a menace in South Central while drinking your juice in the hood. I think that's a movie, but... So really quickly, I want to show you guys how I will actually be wetting down my hair and doing the apple cider vinegar rinse. I just did the banding method all around and I made 4 sections with my twist, making note to be really loose near the scalp area and holding down like the shaft of the twist. And this stupid bottle from the hair store was $1. I do not know how to get this little nozzle piece in here, so thankfully I had another bottle that had a more smaller applicator nozzle so I could really get in with my twist. So I just took some of the Creme of Nature product and put it in my own applicator bottle just to make it easier for me to apply. Now I'm just gonna wet my hair down and I will be right back. Okay. So I have completely wet my scalp down, and now I'm just going to take my twist out of the little bands that I have them in so I can go ahead and apply the apple cider vinegar to my scalp and make sure that the product is thoroughly distributed through each section. And you guys can see how gentle I'm being with my twist. So my scalp is really wet, not so much the twist, so I'm going to go right in and start applying the product. This is what my hair looks like after I have applied the apple cider vinegar rinse all over my entire scalp. I think I'm just going to spend the next couple of minutes just really massaging that in. Ooh, that feels good. Now on the bottle it says that there is going to be a cooling sensation to refresh your scalp. As of right now, I don't really feel any cooling sensation. Maybe that'll come after I rinse out all of this product buildup. But I'm just really trying to work that product into my scalp, gently massaging it, especially around the edge area. And when I rinse this product out, I'm going to rinse it out with my hair still banded up, trying not to get my twists soaking wet so it doesn't take them 2 days to dry. And once I rinse this out, I'm going to follow up with a quick conditioner. I'll leave my conditioner on for maybe 15-20 minutes and then just go ahead and rinse that conditioner right on out. Ooh. Okay, I feel the sensation now. I had to get that shit in there. So I rinsed the apple cider vinegar, well, the rinse out. I rinsed it out of my hair, and I can already feel that my hair feels so clean. And now I'm really feeling that cooling sensation on my scalp, which is awesome. My hair does have a little shine to it, like they said. It did remove the buildup. I noticed that when I rinsed the apple cider rinse out, the water was visibly very muddy and dirty. I haven't been using a lot of products on my hair, more so just oil on my scalp. Definitely got my hair clean. Definitely will be using that again. And now I'm just going to go in with the deep conditioner. Just apply that to my scalp area and let that sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. And the reason why I took my hair out of the bands, because once I rinse the conditioner out of my twist, I do want the conditioner to run down the shaft of the twist to help lock in some moisture before I do the Loc Method when drying. If you want to know, I use my Cocoa Repair from Aunt Jackie's, my favorite right now. The Aunt Jackie's collection. Oh yes. So I rinsed out the deep conditioner, and of course I use cold water to help close up my cuticle and retain moisture. And now I'm just going to do the Loc Method really quickly and let my twist dry overnight. For my liquid, for my Loc Method, I'll be using my homemade aloe vera water. For my oil, I'll be using my favorite Aunt Jackie's All Over Essential Oil. And for my cream, I started using this new Taylor Red Beauty Everything butter. It smells. It smells so good. I love this stuff. I actually got it from a hair show a couple of months ago. Got some free samples and I'm literally running through. I got like 6 little jars. I'm going to eventually end up having to order more, but I'm just going to spray my twist down, focusing on my scalp. Then I'm going to take some oil and just spray it. I love this little spray bottle that I have. Really gets into the scalp. Can't forget my struggle side. One thing that I really love about this bottle is I can feel where I'm spraying the oil at once it hits my scalp. So I know exactly the little pattern that I need to continue to do. Spraying that all over my scalp. Then I'm going to massage that in. And then I'm going to follow up with a little of the cream. Just take a small amount, put that in my hands, starting at the scalp and working the cream through my hair, well, through the twist. A little more. Okay, maybe just a pinch more. Dime size. And then I'm going to let my hair air dry for a couple of hours to get rid of some of the excess moisture, well, the excess water. I want it to dry naturally on its own. To help with that, I'll probably end up sleeping in my little hair dryer towel scully beanie thing that I got that sucks up all the water. You just put it around your hair, tie it in a little knot, and it sucks up all the extra water and stuff. I forgot what this is called. You guys know. I got it at Walgreens. As far as this product goes, the Creme of Nature, the Apple Cider Vinegar Clarifying Rinse, is a thumbs up for me. It definitely removed the product buildup. It was a cool sensation. It sealed up my cuticle. My hair isn't like way too frizzy, and it did add some shine to it. So this product did exactly what it said it was going to do. Definitely love getting my own applicator bottle so I can really get it into my scalp, and I will be using this again, and I will be using it very often. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, don't forget, leave those in the comment box. You guys know I'm not bougie. I reply to every comment. Every time you guys DM me, I always reply. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I hope you guys are already subscribed, and don't forget to turn on your notifications button so you know every time that I'm posting. I have a new post schedule. I am uploading every Tuesday and Thursday. I'm gonna post until you guys get sick of me. So that's it for now. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, Queen, be great. Promise y'all, like, this made me want to lock up my hair so bad. I'm not gonna lock up my hair. Not yet, at least. AJ is alright. He didn't leave the camera charger. I'm gonna have to use the stupid camera to record tomorrow because he didn't leave it. Oh. That's why I can't freestyle. My mind don't move that quick. You jealous of me? Okay, I'm done.